Look at all those buttons. Your grandma will never figure it out.
Yeah, you can see here the engine power is on, and then when we hit a downhill, it'll switch into battery recharge mode. There's a little just letting off the gas, off the throttle, if you will. We're in kind of heavy traffic. We're almost in West Virginia here. Looks like we're coming up on a downhill. And that's just, again, letting off the throttle. Immediately switches back into recharge mode. And looks like we've crested the hill here. It's in the dark, so it's hard to tell. And there we go. For the majority of this downhill, it'll be in Regen power mode. So getting back some of that energy we spent getting to the top of the hill, whether it was with fuel or electricity.